Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's a quick one, guys, you know what I mean? Very easy and simple. You know, some people call it Julie melon, some people call it Galia melon, but it's just some melon and carrot juice today. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely Julie melon and carrot juice with lemon and we're gonna use some apple juice for flavor. Anyway, 1 handful of carrot. So you wanna do 1 handful of carrot. This is some grated carrot I'm using. You can use a grater and just grate some carrot, and that's it. Then piece of a ginger. Some ginger for flavor. Very easy recipe. Lemon. I forgot lime. Healthy juice. And what we're gonna do is cut a piece of the Julie melon. It's looking lovely and nice. All I want to do is just simply remove the seeds like this. After you remove the seed, you can just simply peel it. You can peel it in your way where you like to peel it, but just don't cut yourself, alright? Let's do another piece. I love my juice, man. And through the weather is so hot, you need a drink. Lovely. So we're gonna just use some orange and some apple juice for flavor. And a little bit of honey. Cover and blend for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice one. So we're gonna blend this 4 to 5 minutes. It's just Julie melon and carrot with some apple juice, lemon, ginger, and also it's gonna be served with it. So we're gonna blend this for 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blending. What I'm gonna do is strain it just like this, guys. Two things, you don't have to strain it, but you know what I mean, you can drink it just as it, but I just want to get some rid of the fiber out of it. The fiber is really good for you, but you don't need to drink it every day. You know, you don't have to drink it. You drink it one time this morning, you drink the fiber one time this morning, the next morning you can drink some orange juice, some juice. So that's some tips and idea. You can drink it just as it is, but I don't drink it every day. So sometimes I just strain it like this. Really nice. Nice and lovely. So I just finished straining it. All I'm gonna do is serve this with some ice. Really nice. And like how the weather is so hot, you know what I mean, you need something really nice like this. Beautiful and really nice. Look at that. Really fantastic. Your favorite right here, carrot. And that's exactly what we're talking about. Really nice, guys. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and as you can see, very easy one, guys. Julie melon and carrot with ginger, lemon, and a little pineapple juice, honey, just for sweetness. Really beautiful. Enjoy and see you next time. You can have it in the morning before your breakfast, or you can have it with your breakfast. See you next time. Bye bye.